How to get a student discount on Spotify Premium. You want to open up your browser on your phone and just go search for Spotify Premium student discount. Here you should see Premium Student. Open up this first website that pops up. It is going to tell us that with Premium Students, eligible college university students get premium at a discount for up to 4 years. You need to renew and verify every 12 months. So here's how we can get a student discount. First, you will have to fill out the SureID verification form. If your school is not listed in this form, you will not be eligible at this time. You'll be asked to log into your college or university's portal or to upload proof of your enrollment. SureID will email you to confirm eligibility. This can take a few days. If you have eligibility issues, you can contact their support. In the confirmation email, you can apply the premium student discount to a new or existing Spotify account. So basically, you gotta go through the process, wait for them to verify that you are indeed a student, and then you can get a code for the discount. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.